welcome to another episode of Sebastian's Hits. Today we have a fun one. We'll be opening up 14 packs of Evolving Skies. So very exciting, lots of alternate arts and things that are just awesome and just ready to get pulled. Big shout out to my LGS WD Games out in Wyoming, Michigan for having these packs available. Awesome store. They specialize in video games and TCGs, and just overall awesome experience, great customer service, super awesome prices, hence why I was able to pick up 14 of these. And yeah, they do trade-ins and all that good stuff too. So big shout out to WD Games. Let's go ahead and get to cracking. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day and upcoming weekend. Let's start with fire. Nice, pats on back. Hopefully good luck, or possibly a alternate art Flareon. That'd be awesome. Gold Duck, Scroll of the Fanged Dragon, Floette, Nickit. Whoop, let me just drop everything. No PSA 10s there. Well, our reverse is a Gordy. Ruin there. Double, Rufflet, Roggenrola, Wobbuffet. Flapple is our rare. So at least I didn't drop anything too crazy there. On to our second pack. These are definitely a little tougher to open. These all came directly from a booster box as well. Let's do fighting. Water, all right. Elemental badge, Spirit Mask, full face card. So all three uncommons were trainers. Maybe full art trainer. Sableye, Bergmite, Carvana, Emolga, Slakoth. A reverse is a Vigoroth and a Litigant. Again, just a regular rare. Hopefully that means we can get all these out of the way. Pull something good. Psychic. Nice. Pats on back. Pyroar. Dream Ball. Stormy Mountains, Applin, Lillipup, Emolga, Tentacool, Pumpkaboo, Rubber Gloves as a reverse, and a Pinsir regular rare. So nothing just yet. These packs are just super hard to open. Probably just ruined it based off of that code card too. Probably nothing in this one either, but let's go Darkness, Water, Palpitoad, Shopping Center, Herdier, Timple, Psyduck, Eevee, Pikachu, Cutiefly, Victini as our reverse, and as a reverse rare, and a Thievul. Alright guys, maybe I'll start busting out the scissors here, make things maybe a little bit easier, change it up maybe for luck. Water, Psychic. Scroll the Flying Dragon, Snowleaf Badge, Treasure Energy, Cryogano, Pitalo, Bergmite, Drowsy, Scraggy, Rufflet is our reverse, and a Talonflame. Again, nothing there. Hopefully I didn't pick just regular rares out of all the packs I picked out. I mean, that would be hilarious. But this video would definitely go down as being just hilarious in that regard. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting. Alright. Zubat. Digging Gloves. Stormy Mountains. Gossifer. Feebas. Hippopotas. Lilipop. Thicket. Talonflame. Reverse Rare. And there we go. First awesome pull of Flareon VMAX. Very cool. All right. Let me go ahead and throw Flareon up there. Right in front of our jumbo cards. So yay, awesome. At least I didn't pick just regular rares. Steel. There's Darkness. Crystal Cave. Toy Catcher. Rahan. Carvana. Dweeble. Mareep. Drowsy. Scraggy. Ribombay as our reverse. And a Leafeon V. Here we go. Alright. Another evolution there. Let's do Steel again. Water. Skiploom. Rahan. Ribombay. Feebas. Hitmonchan. Slakoth. Pitao. Pikachu. Emolga as a reverse. And a Wishy-Washy. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. If anyone has open Evolving Skies, go ahead, throw in the comments as to what your favorite alternate art or your favorite evolution is. I would love to hear it. Darkness? Yeah, all right. Let's just go through this one. Zubat, Bergmite, reverse, Talonflame. I'm hoping to pick up some of the evolution boxes soon as well. I would love to add those promos to my collection. That'd be great. Let's go ahead, everybody at home. Go ahead, pick your energy, and let's see if you got it right. All right, it was a Leaf Energy. Scraggy, Teddy Ursa reverse, Seismitoad. Yay. All right, 4 packs left. Just to make things fun, let's just go through this one. Change it up. Hippopotas and an Ampharos as the rare. So nothing fancy in that one either. The same for this one. Oh, possibly something big. Nice, a Jolteon VMAX. Very cool. Let's go ahead and sleeve our Jolteon up. So we have a Leafeon, Flareon VMAX, and let's add our Jolteon there. For these last two packs here, let's do our traditional pack sorting. Let's see here. Leaf. Oh, Lightning. Boldore. Roma Lady. Moon and Sun Badge. Hoppip. Swablu. Zora. Ryogano. Belial. Scrafty Reverse. And a Salamence foil. I don't even think we've pulled a regular foil out yet. So awesome. Alright guys, last pack magic. We've pulled 3 different of the evolutions. Still no alternate art. But still, out of 14 packs, it's not terrible. Fire. Fighting. Boldore, Nuzleaf, Golduck, Gone, love this, Seedot, Lakoth, Carvana, Nuzleaf, Reverse, and we're ending with a Medicham V. There we go. So out of 14 packs, we got ourselves a Jolteon VMAX, the Flareon VMAX, the Leafeon V, and a Medicham V. Awesome. Well, if you liked today's video, go ahead and please, as always, subscribe, comment, and like, and I'll see you at the next one. Thank you.